Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video, we are going to learn how to integrate Stripe to Tribe. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new customer is created in Stripe, it will add a new member in Tribe. Now Stripe is an online payment processing platform and Tribe can be used to increase your social media engagements. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Stripe to Tribe. But there is one minor problem. Stripe and Tribe are two different applications. Hence, there is no data flow between them. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Stripe and Tribe. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done in 2 easy steps. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly. Here you will find an option called as products. Now scroll down and you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Then go to sign in. Click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now scroll down and in the connect part, just click on access now. Now at the right corner, you will find a button called as create workflow. Click this. So a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Stripe to Tribe. It kind of rhymes, Stripe to Tribe. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Stripe. Now in the choose method, let's make it as new customer, because the idea is that whenever a new customer is created, an invite will be created in Tribe. So our method is new customer. So new customer is basically your trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if the new customer is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like the new customer, like the new invoice, new order, cancel subscription, new coupon, new plan, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I am only interested in creating a new customer. So let's keep it as new customer. So what we are trying to do is, we are trying to connect Stripe to Pabbly Connect. So let me show you my Stripe account. So this is my Stripe account, and since we are interested in integrating Stripe to Pabbly Connect, let's go to this part called as developers. Click on developers. So you will find an option called as webhooks. Click this. Then at the right corner, you will find an option called as add endpoint. Click this. Okay, so this is the window of add endpoint. Here you will find a blank called as endpoint URL. So first of all, just remove it. Okay, so we have to get the endpoint URL. To get the endpoint URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the endpoint URL you know. Okay, and paste it here. So the description will remain empty and the version will remain same. Now comes the most important part, events to send. So our event is when a new customer is added in Stripe, the data will be sent. Okay, so the event is customer created. So let's find customer created. Okay, so here we have got customer created. So then click on add endpoint. Okay, so it is showing that it has been enabled. So what we have done here is, we have connected Stripe to Pabbly Connect. Now let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from Stripe. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing that it is waiting for a data. So let's create a dummy customer in Stripe. So let's go to customer and let's create a dummy customer. Okay, so the name of this dummy customer should be, let's say, Snowy. And the email is snowrose12345@gmail.com. Just something random, that's all. The description is let's party to the fullest. Okay, so the phone number of this person is 9131323917. The time zone, let's keep it as none. Choose a language, let's keep it as French. Snow is actually French. The currency is Swiss franc. Tax status is taxable. The tax ID is empty. Then click on add customer. Okay, so a customer called as Snowy has been created. Her email address is snowrose12345@gmail.com. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not, because Pabbly Connect is now integrated with Stripe. Okay, so let's see the data has, yes, the data has been captured. So let's see our data. So, okay, so the description is let's party to the fullest. The email is snowrose12345@gmail.com. The name is Snowy and this is the phone number. Okay, so basically we have got all the data that we have made in Stripe. So we have to sync this data to Stripe. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Stripe. In the choose method, since we are interested in inviting a user, let's keep it as invite a user. So all of these are known as the action. Okay, just like invite user, there are many more actions like create a topic, create an answer, create post to a group, create questions to a group, and many more. However, similarly like triggers, if you don't find the action of your choice, you can request at admin@pabbly.com to build a custom action for you. Okay, so at present I am only interested in inviting a user, so let's keep the action as invite a user. Then click on connect with Stripe. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill: the username, the password, and the host. To get the username is actually pretty simple. You just have to fill in the email of your Stripe account. Okay, mine is admin@pabbly.com, and my password, I'm going to blur it anyway. Okay, so I have filled my password. Now comes the host. To get the host, it's basically very simple. Just go to your Stripe account and copy this. Okay, copy this. We actually don't need the HTTP part. Paste it here. Just remove this hash and just remove this HTTP part. So only we need is pabbly.stripe.so. Then click on save. Okay, so a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is we are going to create a prototype of the invitee, okay, from the data we have received from Stripe via Pabbly Connect. But before we map the data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. So this button is called as the mapping button. Click this. So we want to enter the email address. So let's type email. Yes, this is the email address that we have received from Stripe via Pabbly. So we have got the email address. The role, let's keep it as a member. And the message will be something that we got from the description. Yes, let's party to the fullest. Then click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent to Stripe. So let's check our Stripe account whether we have a person called as Snowy. So let's refresh this. Let's go to invited users. Yes, we have an email called as snowrose12345@gmail.com. So the presence of this invited user shows that we have connected Stripe and Stripe with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a customer is created in Stripe, it will create a user in Stripe. But to double check it if the integration is working fine or not, let's make one more dummy customer in Stripe. But before that, let me show you the whole process in a nutshell. First, minimize this and minimize this. Okay, so this is the whole mechanism in a gist. First you integrated Stripe to Pabbly Connect, then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Stripe. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Stripe and Stripe. So let's go to Stripe and make one more new dummy customer. So this time the email is, let's say, Ruby Rosie. Okay, Ruby Rosie. The account email is ruby345ver@gmail.com, and the description is let's work together. Okay, oh, of course, together. Okay, then click on add customer. So let's see whether we have a person called as Ruby Rosie with the email address ruby345ver@gmail.com in our Tribe account. So let's go to Tribe and let's refresh this. Go to invited users. Yes, there is a person with an email address ruby345ver@gmail.com. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a customer is created in Stripe, it will be reflected in Tribe also.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate a plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or just visit us at www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.